streaming mist I dream. Onsen calls from distant shores. Home feels far away. Welcome back to my channel. It's really emergency. I lived this apartment in New York City for 2 years. And as typical New York apartment, there's no bathtub in this apartment. As a person growing up in Japan, I was taking baths every day. And I go public bath and a hot spring very often. But here, it's so limited. Recently, I see a lot of dream going to hot spring in Japan. And I woke up disappointed because that was a dream. Welcome back to my channel. That wasn't joking. And my YouTube recommendations are filled by onsen channels. So I need onsen. So today, what I want to do is I bought this large luxury. My cat is really distracting. Alright, you stay there. Large luxury folding bath. I didn't know it's marketing as luxury because it doesn't look very luxury, but let's see. So today I'm gonna do a review of this portable onsen kit, and also I bought this one. You can buy it in the US. The onsen powder. It's pretty common in Japan. Let's try. First I need to open this. Alright, let's open this. Ooh. But one thing I can say is, so it's bigger than I expected. It's not luxury, but looks nice. So I think I need to push this down. Oops. So from the side, like this. Actually it's no luxury. I want to say luxury, but let's see. So now I'm gonna take a bath in this apartment. So I'm very excited. Alright. So this is Nano Micro Influencer's shower room. Alright, so I need to put this so that I can put my head here. I really like the design. You can put a shower here, so it's nice. It's kinda jacuzzi. I'm gonna wait maybe 10 minutes. Meantime, I'm eating natto Japanese cucumber pickle with miso and the koji and then white and brown rice. So healthy. I'm not vegetarian though. Itadakimasu. Alright, it's almost ready. So let's put the onsen powder. So today I'm gonna put nigori, which is the white color. It's similar to Ghost of Tsushima. Smells so good. Smells so nostalgic. Looks so good. So there's some place has the similar color by natural mineral. I'm so excited. I think it's ready. Let's do it. So good. And I love this head one. This one. Is that Ubisoft or Ubisoft or UBI soft? I don't know. So what I really want is table here, and I can read books, or I can put an iPhone so that I can watch my favorite YouTube channel and hit subscribe button. And how about that? How about that? I just came up with this asking subscribers idea while I'm taking bath. And also, nothing to talk because it's just so good. Look at my skin. It's like an onsen. I highly recommend this product. Also, I highly recommend taking a bath and highly recommend going to hot spring in Japan. And I'm gonna post this video, Amazon review.